How can we thank the Almighty Allah, bestowed upon us the slavery of Mustafa? How can we thank the Almighty Allah, bestowed upon us the slavery of Mustafa? The slavery of Allah's beloved is very precious one. The slavery of Allah's beloved is very precious one. It makes a man Allah's near and dear one. It makes a man Allah's near and dear one. How can we thank the Almighty Allah, bestowed upon us the slavery of Mustafa? If you want to see Medina's gracious side, if you want to see Medina's gracious side, then recite through those slows every day, every night. Then recite through those slows every day, every night. How can we thank the Almighty Allah, bestowed upon us the slavery of Mustafa? The throbbing of my heart increases rapidly. The throbbing of my heart increases rapidly. When I hear Medina, when I hear Medina, when I hear Medina, even from distantly. When I hear Medina, even from distantly. How can we thank the Almighty Allah, bestowed upon us the slavery of Mustafa? عز وجل صلى الله تعالى عليه وآله وسلم.